Okay, so here's what you have to do. When you have two fractions that have different denominators, okay, and the denominator, of course, is the bottom number. So if those are different, you need to find what's called the lowest common denominator. And what that means is finding the lowest number that both of these denominators will go into evenly. Okay? So the easiest way, I guess I say the easiest way that I found to do it, and this isn't, well, I wouldn't say that it's not easy, but it does take some time. This is like kind of a longer process. Okay? So, if you start with the 2, you can just write out the multiples of 2, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Do the same thing with the 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Now, you take a look at which numbers do these two rows have in common. Okay? So they both have 12s in common, and they both have 6 in common, right? Okay? Now, when you're looking for the lowest common denominator, it's the lowest number that they have in common, which is going to be 6, right? Yep.
Which is 6.
Okay. So you have your lowest common denominator equals 6. Okay. Now, okay, does that make sense? I need to erase this. I need more room. So does that make sense? Okay.
Yeah.
So write it back up here, 1/2. Say plus 2/3. Okay. So we found our lowest common denominator equals 6. Okay. And then what I do is you rewrite the fractions. Whoops. Where's my, whoops. Whoops. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Okay, so you rewrite the fractions, one on top of the other. And what you're going to do is you're going to change these two fractions into equal fractions that have a denominator of 6. Okay? So taking this first one, the 1/2, right here, 2 times what equals 6? What would you multiply 2 by to get 6? Yep.
3.
Okay. So, since you would have multiplied the denominator times 3 to get this 6 over here, 6 right there, you have to do the same thing to the numerator of this fraction. You have to multiply that by 3. Okay? So 1 times 3 equals 3, right? Do you see how that works? Okay. And so you have 3/6 is actually the same as 1/2, right? They're equal to each other, but it has a different denominator, right? Okay. Now, do the same thing with the bottom. 3 times what equals 6? What do you multiply 3 by to get 6? Yep.
2.
So 3 times 2 equals 6. Okay. So then you have to multiply the numerator by 2 also. So 2 times 2 equals 4, right? Okay. So then you can rewrite your fractions. 3 over 6 plus 4 over 6. Or I'm sorry, 3, oh, that should be a 6. Sorry. Okay. And then when you're adding and subtracting fractions, just keep the same denominator and either add or subtract the numerators. So in this case, since we're adding, we add 3 plus 4, 7. That is our final answer. Does that make sense? Okay. Think you can maybe try it one more time? Maybe pass it? Okay. Why don't you go ahead and try one more time? And if you have any other problems, let me know. And
Okay.
if you do, we can go through it again or whatever, or we can go through any specific problems that you have. Okay? All right, then just let me know. I'll talk to you later. Okay. Bye. You're welcome. Oh.
Thank you.
Ended.